Now, tuples, like I said, are quite similar to lists. So if I wanted to, I can say new tuple and use my tuple and then slice that tuple. So for example, if I do 1, 2 like this and print new tuple, I'm going to get 2, comma. Why is that? Well, we start at 0, 1 and end at 2. If I did 4 here and click run, I get 2, 3, 4. It's still a tuple, but you have to remember that a tuple that only has a single item tends to have this little comma at the end, but it's still a tuple. And just like a list, I can assign different things. For example, I can say x equals to my tuple 0, and then I can say y equals my tuple 1, and x and y will equal 1 and 2. But a short form of doing this, again, similar to lists, is to say, hey, I want x, y, z, and you know what? Other to be the values assigned from the tuple. So that if I do x here and I run, I get 1. If I do z and I run, I get 3. What if I do other? And if I click run, I get 4 and 5 as a list. All right, if your head doesn't hurt by now, don't worry, I have some good news. Luckily for us, a tuple has only 2 methods that we care about: count and index. How nice is that? So nice and simple. Guess what these mean? So let's go back to my tuple and now try these out. If I go my tuple.count, well, it's going to count the value. So if we want to count how many 5s occur in the tuple, I get 1. If I had another 5 in the tuple, I get 2. What about index? What's the index of 5? Well, the index of 5 is 4. Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the first value that it finds, it's going to return the index of. And then finally, we can also do length, right? We can use this built-in function to run length, and it's going to tell us that, yep, it has a length of 6. Awesome. There it is. We're flying through them now. This is our third data structure. Remember, they're simply lists that are immutable. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.